Recover deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. First, we'll launch Facebook app on your device and make sure that you log in or sign in to your account. Proceed by tapping on the three-bar menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Now choose the gear icon at top right from the menu page. Now tap See More in Account Center and then choose Your Informations and Permissions. Select Download Your Informations button, and now you need to select Download or Transfer Information and choose the message. Then you need to simply create a file and then your specific informations will be downloaded. So it will take up to 15 minutes to an hour. Once it is downloaded, you can simply unzip the file and then recover your deleted messages. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.